Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click and subscribe if you want more videos.
Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a girl named Maya. She was born into a poor family and had to work hard every day to make ends meet. Despite her struggles, she was determined to make something of herself. One day, Maya's village was hit by a severe drought. The crops withered away, and the villagers were left with no food or water. Maya knew she had to do something to help her community. She went from house to house, collecting whatever little food and water people could spare. She even went to nearby towns to seek help. Her efforts paid off, and soon, the villagers had enough food and water to survive. However, Maya's actions didn't go unnoticed by the village elders. They were angry that a young girl had taken it upon herself to help the community without seeking their permission first. They accused her of causing chaos and creating a divide among the villagers. Maya was heartbroken. She had only wanted to help her community in their time of need. But the elders refused to see her good intentions. They banished her from the village, leaving her homeless and alone. Maya's story is just one example of how social issues like poverty, hunger, and inequality can divide communities. It is up to all of us to come together and work towards a better future for everyone.
Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.